Chakratirtha. Just look at this. Wow, this feels more awesome. Like I love this. So guys, now I reach in the one of the best picnic spot in Keunjhar. That is, the name is Chakratirtha. Chakratirtha. Just look at the views. In this above mountain, let's see what in this picnic spot. I just love this so much. Just wait and watch what's in this place. So guys, now I reached in the Chakratirtha, the Mahadev Lord Shiva temple. Just look at this, how this is looks. I just love this. This place, guys, looks so much beautiful. I just love this. Just look at this. Lord Hanuman. This is the Linga and Mahadev, Lord Mahadev. Baba. Let's see what about this Baba. This Baba was just this was just look at this. This is the Baba just the Siddhavitha. When you siddhi something, when you want to something to get in life, let's Baba this type. I just love this. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Beauty of nature, how waterfall this place. I just love this so much. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, and Om Namah Shivaya. Lord Mahadev, Om Namah Shivaya. I just love this. Look at this, how water falling in this place. I just love this so much, guys. You just look at this. I just love it so much. ভাই এটা বন্যা শিকার ভাবছি না ভাই ভাই এটা বন্যা শিকার ভাবছি না one of the Boitmani river Gonasika, this waterfall was just started. This water, I just love this so much. You just can look at this. I love it. I want to go in the water. Just look at this. Yes, I just love it. Awesome place. Awesome place. Just look at the waterfall. I just love it so much, guys. Just look at this. Just guys, look at this. How this is looks so much beautiful. I just love this so much. Awesome place, guys. This looks beautiful. I just love this. So guys, now just look at the view. I just enjoyed this so much. I hope you just love it and so much. I just love this so much. I just look at this. It's so awesome. I love it. This was so much beautiful. I just love it so much, guys. You just look at this. How this looks so much beautiful. I just love it so much. Guys, in my life, I just enjoyed the first time waterfall in my life. I just love it in mountain. I just enjoyed first time. and this was I just beautiful. And once is the in this place too, so much so much distance, Gorshoni temple, one of the waterfall in this place. I just love it. Two two waterfall I just enjoyed in my life. This was so much looks so much beautiful. I just love it so much. I hope you just enjoyed it and love it so much.